If you could create wonderful emails and newsletters and create images, videos, graphics, text, emails all from scratch with the help of AI within seconds and minutes, would your life get better? If yes, then keep listening. You're going to learn how to create automated videos, how to put long form videos and generate literally millions of short form videos for your reels, for your TikToks, for your LinkedIn shorts, YouTube shorts, Instagram shorts, and reels and whatnot. We are also going to learn how you, as a beginner or at any level of your career, can use the AI tools like Leonardo AI to create wonderful, flawless graphics, and that too for free. You can create a unicorn in Antarctica. If you want all of that, and if you want to learn that with Bard and GPT and with the power of AI tools, then this course is for you, my friend. Once you complete this course, you will be a master of the AI tools. You can impress your boss, you can impress your colleagues, you can impress your friend with these tools. And you can also have a wonderful life where you save time, effort, and money and whatnot. If this sounds interesting, then do join me in this interesting journey and we'll learn a lot together. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the first lecture. Waiting for you. See you there. Bye-bye.